It is well proven that electrical energy can be harvested from living plants, which can be used as a potential renewable energy source for powering wireless devices in a remote area where replacing or recharging of a battery is a difficult task. Therefore, harvesting of electrical energy from living plants in remote areas such as in farms, especially in greenhouses, can be an ideal source of energy as these areas are rich with living plants. Energy harvesting is a widely focused research area which is targeted towards deriving electrical energy from external sources which can be stored to power up small electronic devices. With the recent advancements in technology, where the power consumption of electronic devices have been significantly reduced, numerous energy harvesting approaches have been introduced in supplying power to power efficient electronic devices or wireless sensor nodes. As the charges of batteries depleted over time due to power consumption, the energy harvesting system is required to charge or recharge these batteries in order to sustain these functionalities of the devices. Numerous techniques have been proposed in recharging these batteries, such as solar energy, kinetic energy, wind energy, thermoelectric, radio frequency, and magnetic field. And although these renewable power sources have been successful in activating the devices, they normally face a problem in their scalability, cost of installation, and their applicability in a wide range of topography. Besides, these power sources usually face a dilemma in their spasmodic availability throughout the day. Take for instance, it has been observed that extracting of energy is not possible at night for the solar energy and the thermoelectric, as they are both dependent on the sun. In addition, it is also observed that there is an issue of consistency in energy generation for the wind and the kinetic energy forms, as there is usually no abundance or consistent abundance in wind in particular seasons. The proposed technique harvests electrical energy from the leaves of living plants, which can provide energy to the load all throughout the day as long as the plants remain alive. In a plant cell powered greenhouse (PPG), a plant cell is proposed as a new electrical energy source to power low power consumption devices such as a transmitter. The PPG consists of a power management system which is connected to a copper zinc electrode pairs which are embedded into the leaves of the aloe vera plants. The power management system which is proposed can perform a fully autonomous operation in harvesting electrical energy from the aloe vera plants, which then triggers a transmitter load that sends signals periodically to the humidity and temperature sensors of the PPG. The developed power management circuits, which consist of an energy storage system and a voltage regulation system, can store the minute energy that is being harvested from the aloe vera plants and boost them into sufficient energy to power the transmitter load. The transmitter load is proven to be in operation as it sends intermittent signal to the receiver circuit to activate the remote sensors to measure the surrounding humidity and temperature of the greenhouse. The idea of the proposed plant as a battery source can provide significant benefits in IoT applications, especially in remote areas or dense forests where replacing or recharging of a battery is impossible. Finally, the plant-based cell can be employed in precision farming and the environmental monitoring of a greenhouse, as these areas are abundant with living plants.